The victim in this case mocked the defendant for failing to satisfy her sexually. A fight ensued and the defendant struck the woman, knocking her unconscious. Believing her to be dead, the defendant then threw her in the river. She died from drowning. The defendant was convicted of manslaughter and appealed. The Court of Appeal held that the trial judge had misdirected the jury in relation to unlawful act manslaughter. Edmund Davies Justice held that the unlawful act must be as all sober and reasonable people would inevitably recognize must subject the other person to, at least, the risk of some harm resulting therefrom, albeit not serious harm. The reasonable person does not need to recognize a risk of serious injury or death resulting from the unlawful act. He or she must merely recognize the risk of some harm. The test is clearly objective. Thus, it does not matter that the defendant in this case did not recognize a risk of harm to the victim when he threw her body into the river, because he believed her to be dead. What is relevant is whether or not the reasonable person would have recognized a risk of some harm. Subscribe and like for more law,